Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use TikTok caption style on videos. Now to use the TikTok caption style on your videos, you can use the built-in auto captions feature to transcribe speech and then customize the font and colors to match your brand. This feature makes your content accessible and increase watch time by up to 40%. Now to add and style captions in your application, all you have to do is go ahead and record or upload your video. Now, once you do so, you should be able to find this edit button over here on this right hand side. Go ahead and tap on it. Then tap on this text button. Now you will be shown a pop-up for writing your text. All you have to do is go ahead and tap on this keyboard downward icon. Now once you press on it and tap on any of the window, you should be able to find this captions option. Go ahead and tap on it. And as you can see, the video is being updated and the caption will be written. If the video has any conversations or even anything the subject has spoken, it will be detected. And once the speech is recognized, you will be able to find your caption line over here, just like this music option. And from there, you should be able to find another option called edit. Now, once you tap on it and press on edit, you will be able to change its fonts and even its styles and how it appears from there. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.